Hello, how are you? I have a question for you. Do you like listening to music? If your answer is yes, then you need to know the wireless earphone from JBL that I'm using right now. It's amazing. This earphone has a high-quality sound, with powerful bass and crystal-clear highs. You will feel inside your favorite artist. Besides, it has an ergonomic and comfortable design that fits perfectly to your ear. You can use it for hours without feeling any discomfort. And the best of all, it's wireless. That's right, you don't have to worry about tangled cables or broken wires. You can move freely without losing the connection. It has a battery that lasts up to 6 hours and comes with a charging case that allows you to recharge up to 3 times. That means you have up to 24 hours of music non-stop. I know you must be thinking, this earphone must be very expensive, right? But I have good news for you. It has an unbeatable price on Amazon. You can buy it right now for only $59 or in up to 10 interest-free installments. That's a discount of more than 50% compared to the original price of $99.99. But you have to be quick because this offer is for a limited time. I don't know how long it will last, so I suggest you take advantage while you can. I will leave the link of the official website in the description of the video for you to guarantee your wireless earphone from JBL. Click on the link and buy it right now before the stock runs out. This was my video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave your like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to not miss the next tips. And don't forget to click on the link in the description to buy your wireless earphone from JBL. A hug and see you next time.